Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and the lifestyle. It's your girl, Lady M here, and in today's video, it will be my first haul video of 2021. But this is a haul video with a twist. Why, you ask? Well, my friend sent me a box of goodies, and it was her favorites that she wanted to share with me. And so I'm sharing with all of you all the goodies in my box. So before we get into the video, go ahead and hit that subscription box down below so you can become part of the Lady M fam. And while you're there, hit that notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever new videos go up. All right, so let's get into today's video. Sit back, relax, let's chill and unbox some makeup, shall we? Her name is Bria. Well, Bria Beauty, right? She's here on YouTube and she has a nail channel. And I'm going to be talking about the goodies that she sent me today. Here is the box. Well, it's not the box, it's the bag. So this came from Ulta, but this is how they do their like gift wrapping for boxes. Isn't that so cute? Well, yeah, so that was what my thing came in. I just saw this big box outside and I was so confused because I was like, wait, did I order anything from Ulta? Like, I don't know. And then I opened the box and then I realized what it was. And so inside is like this blue wrapper and then all the products comes out. So the first thing is this facial cleanser from DHC and it's a deep cleansing oil. So that's the first product that she shared. So this is her favorite. It's the ultimate makeup remover. This olive oil based formula completely dissolves away dirt, excess oil, makeup, and even waterproof mascara, leaving your skin soft and fresh and never greasy. So I love cleansing oils and I also love cleansing balms. So I'm gonna be trying this out to see how I like it. I thought that's so cool that she would share with me some of her favorites. So I'm excited to try. Of course, we all need face mask. And so this is the Kitsch face mask and it's a pack of 3 face masks. I don't think these ones have the little nose bridge. And I didn't even take anything out the box. Like I immediately just put everything up so that way I could record. Yeah, these don't have the nose bridge, but that's what they look like. And yeah, it's a 3-pack. So I'm gonna go wash these and get these ready to try. All right, what else is in my goodie bag? All right, so this is unicorn fruit whipped body butter, and it's from the brand called Truly. It has acai, chia seed, matcha, rose water, and collagen boost. This is vegan, clean, high performing, animal cruelty free, real fresh, made in USA with global ingredients. So I got me some body butter and it's from the brand, I don't know if you guys can see, but it says Truly and it's unicorn fruit. Oh man, this thing is sealed. I wanted to, oh my God, it smells so good. Oh, it's like literally the butter. And oh yeah, this thing, she thick. And it smells divine. Look at my hand. Yes, and it's like literally smells heavenly. So, oh my God, yes. All right. Okay, the one thing that I am most excited for is this Melanin Haircare, the leave-in conditioner. I have been wanting to try this and every time I go, it's sold out. So it has baobab oil, turnip root, and provitamin B5, and it's just a leave-in conditioner. So you would just use this for all my curly folks out there. You know. All right, and then here I see some lip products. This is one of my favorite glosses. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. And this one is in the shade Stone. Oh my God, and that's my favorite color. This one I have never used before. This is the Lime Crime. And it is the liquid, Diamond Dew. And it's their liquid eyeshadow. And it's in the shade Starlight. Oh my God, I'm still smelling my hands from that body butter. All right, so I'm excited to try. Let me see what color this is. Ooh, this is pretty. This is, I probably can't even open it because my hands are still slippery. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to open it, but so you can kind of see it almost looks like a taupe color. Yeah, that's pretty. And then the next thing I have in here is a bag of samples. So easy peasy. That was it. Just a little bit of goody. All right. Thank you, Bria. I appreciate it so much, and I hope you enjoyed your goodies. That's it, guys. Just quick, easy. Like, I just wanted to hop on here and share a couple things. Maybe you've used these brands before, maybe you haven't, but hey, I'm sharing newness to me, and maybe you guys will want to try. Oh my God, that butter smells so good. All right, guys. Well, thanks for joining me in today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. While you're there, make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified whenever new videos go live. What have you guys picked up so far for 2021? Share, let me know in the comments down below. Have you tried any of the goodies here that I received in my box? Let me know in the comments below. Ciao, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.